transparent. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all how I messed up, who I blew 3K, right? So currently I have three top tip accounts. First, let me show you what originated it, right? So if we look closely, I entered off of this deviation right here, right? I got in down here. If we go to my Discord that you can join, um, my entry, we got a lot of student games in here, but my personal entry, I caught the low, bro. 20918, 20918 down here. Price never came back down here, which and I'm mad that I let myself right. But that's just confirmation that I entered down here inside the negative two standard deviation. I would have caught the high of the whole move, bro. I would have caught the whole move, and I got the fear of missing out when I woke up. So my account was up 6K. I lost 3K, so now I have a 3K balance left between my accounts. How did I do that? It's because I kept trying to short this. I was getting cooked in New York. I should have stick to my session, and I was kept trying to short this, right? So the most important thing, bro, is to stay true to yourself, stay true to your session, stay inside your rules and your guidelines. Because remember, when you're trading, your setup, anything that's pertaining to your strategy, is telling you everything you need to know. It's telling you when not to trade. It's telling you when to trade. It's telling you everything you need to know when it comes to the charts. As long as you following those simple things, as long as you following those simple things, but there's no way you can go wrong. There's no way you can go wrong. A lot of traders messed up because you get the fear of missing out. You start comparing yourself to other people, and I still do that too, and that's what's holding me back a little bit. But it gets to a point to where you got to break out of that. You got to break out of that. You got to come out your shell. You have to become the trader that you have to be to change your own life. It's people depending on you. Your family depending on you. It's a lot of people and things depending on you in this world, and only you can change that. All these blown accounts, tilting and stuff like that, it has to stop. And I'm working on that myself. I want y'all to know that I'm working on that myself. So I'm not just telling y'all something that I'm not trying to work on, or that I'm not doing, or I don't have my chat working on. We go to the chat, as we can see. I sent them. We caught some good entries, though. Not gonna lie, right? But I send my analysis out, right? And I send my analysis out every single day. Well, every Sunday, or we do a live analysis call. So I was expecting a bullish week. We can see we have an SMT at the lows inside a higher time frame put of interest. I always talk to them when we have a SMT in a POI, like the point of interest is exactly what it is, an area where you want price to reverse at, and the SMT is going to confirm if that point of interest hold or not. So you got the 4 hour, the 1 hour fair value, you got whatever fair value if you need, and then you have an SMT to confirm that. That's going to confirm the area. That's going to confirm the POI confirms the area. The SMT confirms the actual reversal. So I drill this into them, right? So I bet you do. This holds my bias. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Work your energy run further. You know, this is the one side of the right. I meant bullish, by the way. I meant bullish because, as you can see, we have a bullish SMT, right? So I want the price to go back up. I corrected myself, but see, you see how I said obviously for bearish bias? I meant bullish up here. Let me change that. Let me change this. I'm thinking I said bullish. EQ and ES. Let's just start to run up for EQ and ES. Yep, never mind. Yeah, it was bullish. So, as y'all can see, I sent all my plays and everything in the chat. Keep everything going. But back to what we were saying, it takes a specific type of person to be able to overcome the hardship of a day trader. Feel me? You have to get over those hurdles. You got to become your own person. You have to lock in. Essentially, is what we like to call it. locking in with yourself, just locking in, period. You have to lock in. That's literally all it is. It's locking in, right? I'm not saying none of it's perfect. I'm not saying that, um, you know, I'm not saying that all of us will make it because we won't. But what I can say is that a lot of us will make it. A lot of you behind the screen, you obviously watching this video for a reason. You will make it, right? It's a reason. It's the reason why you will make it. Obviously, we won't practice to go to Priest Haas, but it's a reason you're gonna make it. Nothing is wrong with tilting. Everybody tilts. It's about how many times you're gonna tilt over and over again before you stop. How many times are you gonna tilt before you know that your son or your daughter or your brother or your mom is depending on you. You wanna make your mom proud. You have to do different things other than the average person. You cannot be average and expect an extravagant lifestyle, you know? And that's just my take on it. You cannot live an average life and expect the outcome of somebody who put in the work or the outcome of somebody who done, feel me? The outcome of somebody who's doing what they're supposed to do, basically is what I'm trying to say. You cannot do that. It don't work like that. Life don't work like that. It does not work like that. And that's one thing I'm learning right now. We cannot live an average lifestyle and expect not average results. Feel me? So, what are you gonna do to change your situation? What are you gonna do to change your life? Are you gonna stop over leveraging? Are you gonna stop tilting out? What are you gonna do behind the screen? You behind the screen. What are you gonna do to change your situation? And I'm obviously on here for a transparency post. You know, I like being transparent with y'all. So it just comes down to, you know, showing y'all the real behind this. The real, the good, the bad, the fake. Well, not the fake, but the good, the bad. I'm not just gonna broadcast my wins. I don't do it in the chat. You know, I stay on everybody behind in the chat and everything. It's not just it's not just y'all. I keep it real. Like if you in my chat, you know for sure. You know that we keep it real. There's no sugarcoating. There's no none. Oh come on, no, none of that. I'm gonna stay on you. Stay on you hard. Pause. But we're gonna get the job done. And, we're gonna move accordingly. So if you do want to join, link in bio. Code welcome 50 for 80% off my chat for the first month. Come in here and join. We got the testimonials to go with it. This is a new testimonials tab. It'll have been way more, but then we got the premium side where everybody is self-taught over here. These are not people who's I don't do call outs because I don't believe in them. Right? I don't do call outs. It's straight analysis and work. Y'all have to put it to work. This is not random. Look at these entries. Right? So once you're ready to lock in, you know where to come. Link in bio. And yeah, I will catch y'all in the next video. I appreciate y'all for watching and peace.